Hey everyone, want to create a catchy video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro? Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads on Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand will be new ad is ready to go. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the home page as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is Canva. Canva is an easy to use online design tool that helps you create stunning video ads, social media, posts and more. Even if you have no design experience, with tons of templates, animations, and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life. Perfect for making ads that stand out. Alright, so let's come back to the top right now and let's just click it over sign up or apply now. Then you will find other page, which is this one as you can see. You can just right now search for your content and canvas. For example, here we have Reels Instagram. Let's just search for Reels Instagram, for example, and here we have those templates. You can just click over here, see all. As you can see, we have here various templates. All right, so for example, we have this one and we have this one and we have here 12,647 templates. You can just select the one you want. Have it are various templates: the pro one, the free one, the white one, the black one. We have here related to the business, related to social media, related to videos, related to various things. So right now all I have to do is just come back to the top and just select the niche that I want, for example. So I will just click over all filters and here we have here various categories. If it's related to the business first, if it's related to social media secondly, and for example I will select here Instagram Reels. Then we have education as well, video, marketing, print products, cards and invitations. And then we have here the style, the theme, the language, the feature, grade, subject, topic, price as well. About the price I will select the free one, and about the color I will select the white one. Then I will click over apply and you will find here these templates as you can see. So I will just right now select one of these. For example, let's select in this one and you click over customize this template and you will find it how it looks right now. So after that, you have just to design your template, and here we have this how it looks. So I don't like it, so I will just come back here right now and I will just here click over create a design. I will select here videos. Here we have the open video if you want social media, presentations, whiteboards, documents for your websites, custom sites, upload and more. For example, about more you will find here the popular thing, and about the popular you will find here are various things. Also we have it common layouts and sizes. You have just to select here various things: office and business, marketing and promotion, personal and event planning, photos and videos as well. So I will just come back right now and I will select here the option of video. Then I will click over the first one and you will find other template, which is this one, or other page I mean, sorry. So all right, so firstly here we have the timing and we have here 5 seconds. As you can see, I will just right now go to the design and I will search for one template that could help me to get started. I will select here shoes basketball because this one that I will sell in the future, and I will select firstly this one as you can see. Then I will just here modify firstly the template before getting started. Also I will here click over here this template as well. I will just here put this one for 5 seconds. As you can see, we have 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Let's just wait in for. And here we have this one. It's 5 seconds right now. I will just here modify this one. I will delete this one and also this one because I don't like it. And I will do my own as you can see. So I will just put this one in the middle like that. And I will just put it here like that. And also here. Put it like that. Then I will put this one like that with this size, and here we have it right now. And also here I will just customize the size again and I'll put this one like that. Right now we will just add here a text, and I will just go to the text and I will add a hidden. Then I'll put it in the top or the middle as well. I will just here add the size of this one. I will put it in 200, as you can see. All right, and here we have 200. I will delete this one and I will add basketball. Firstly, I will add like that, basketball shoes. All right, so here we have it, how it looks. Right now, if you want to add some elements, we have just to go to here and you search for elements. For example, logos basketball, like that. Let's just dive into logos basketball, and you'll find here graphics, this option, and you will select, for example, this one. This is the logo, and you'll put it in the middle like that. About the logo, I'll put it in the top. So this is the logo, and about this one, you'll put it like that. And I think that's super for this logo, so it's good, right? I will just here add other things if you want, and let's get it started right now. So this is the first page, and right now, you know what I want to add right now. It's just the product. For example, we have here, sorry, I will delete this one. So I will just sell here basketball shoes. So we have a product. So here we have my product, as you can see, and here we have how it looks as well. Put it in the right like that. So this is it. You think it's better? So right now, if I want to add my voiceover, I will click over record yourself, and I will here delete the camera. Then I will click over record, and I will start recording by this buttons, which is a record, and I will start describing this product. It's good. This product, it's good and it's more comfortable. You can use it for playing basketball. Kyrie Irving is very famous player. It's just like that. And then you click over done, and you click over save and exit in the top right. Or you can just here, if you don't like it, you click over exit without saving. And also you can add a music if you want by clicking over here audio, and you add a music like that. Or here we have happy, or search for music basketball, and you get started. So right now all I have to do is just click over share in the top right, and then you have to share the template, as you can see. So this is how it looks right now, and that's it, how you can get started with Canva and you create a video ads using Canva. So Canva makes creating video ads quick and easy with its user-friendly tool and templates. It's perfect for businesses looking to design professional content without the complexity. Bring your idea to life and capture attention in just a few clicks. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.